Hello everyone, welcome to Vishnu AS. Today we are going to see another important recent current affair State Reforms Action Plan Rankings 2019. This will come in your GS3, okay, by Vishnu IAS team. First, let's see the State Reforms Action Plan rankings. Okay, so what is this State Reform Action Plan ranking? This is the ranking of the states of for the Business Reform Action Plan implementation. Okay, it is based on the implementation of the Business Reform Action Plan (BRAP). Okay, ranking of the states for the year 2019 has been declared, and the top states under the state reform action plans are Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, and Telangana. So this state rankings, it what does the use of this state ranking is? This will help the investors to invest. Okay, so it will attract the investments and it will foster the healthy competition, and also it will increase the ease of doing business in each state. So that is the main thing about this state reform action plan rankings. Okay, so Union Minister of Finance and Corporate Affairs Nirmala Sitharaman, okay, she have announced the fourth edition of Business Reform Action Plan. Okay, fourth edition of BRAP ranking of the states. She released it. Okay, she announced the fourth edition of BRAP ranking of the states, and she made the announcement in the presence of few important ministers and also along with the few government officials. Okay, so this is actually the ranking of states. It is based on the implementation of this BRAP, okay, action, that is business reform action plan. Okay, how the states have implemented this BRAP, which is started in 2015. So this ranking of states based on the implementation of BRAP, this ranking has been started in the year 2015. So till date, state rankings has been released for the year 2015, 16, and 17 and 18. Okay, so 3 years they have released the this rankings, and this is the fourth edition of the BRAP ranking of the states. Okay, and this BRAP action plan for the 2018-19, it includes 118 reform points covering 12 business regulatory areas. So this business regulatory areas are access to information, single window system, labor environment, etc. Okay, so all these have been included in this regulatory area. So they have included 180 reform points, and the objective of this is the larger objective, or the main objective of this is attracting the investments and increasing the ease of doing business in each state. So by this ranking, they are attracting the investors to invest. Okay, so it attracts the investments and also it increases the ease of doing business in each state. So that could be achieved by introducing an element of healthy competition among the states. Okay, through these rankings, it increases the healthy competition among the states. So based on their performance and their in the implementation of this BRAP, that is business reform action plan, so by increasing their performance in implementing this BRAP, the ranking system has been made. So through the system of ranking these states, it increases the healthy competition. Okay, so it is attracting the investments and it also increase the ease of doing business also. Okay, and you see the top rank. Okay, so this time the top rank is secured by Andhra Pradesh. Okay, Andhra Pradesh has bagged the first rank among the states in the country, in the state business reforms action plan 2019 in the further, and the BRAP 2019 ranking. Okay, the first rank has been bagged by Andhra Pradesh, and second by Uttar Pradesh, and third by Telangana. This ranking is completely based on the implementation of the Business Reform Action Plan, and it is the annual Ease of Doing Business Index of the states and union territories of India, and this is completely based on the completion percentage scores of the action item points, okay, of this BRAP, and it is under the Make in India initiative. So under Make in India initiative, they have made the based on the completion percentage scores of the action plan points of this annual BRAP, the ranking has been made. It is the annual ease of doing business index of the states and union territories. And the key focus areas, as I told you, so there are many key focus areas like information technology, single window system, construction permit enablers, land administration. Okay, so all those are the key focus areas, and it is completely based on the progress of states in completing annual reform action plan, which covers the 8 key areas. Okay, so it is an annual ease of doing business index of states and union territories, and it is based on the completion of percentage scores of the action item points of the annual business reforms action plan. So it is the completion percentage scores of the action item point of the BRAP, okay, under the Make in India initiative, and it is the annual ease of doing business index of the states and union territories, and this will help the investments and foster the healthy competition. So this will increase the ease of doing business index in each state. As I told you, this was released in presence of various ministers. Okay, they have given their views. Okay, like this one, foreign direct investment in the country increased even during the COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, like this was said by Srimati Sitharaman after releasing the rankings. She said that this ranking shows that India is taking even the reforms process seriously, even during the this COVID-19 pandemic, which is the world's strictest lockdown. So even during that time, India has taken the reform process seriously. So that showed when this foreign direct investment in the country increased even during such a situation, and some states have shown extraordinary energy in putting together their action plans. Okay, so some states have worked, they put their energy together, they made it to reform to happen. Okay, so states have embraced the true spirit behind this state business reforms action plan. So she said that, so even during the COVID-19 pandemic, this ranking it shows that India is taking the reform process seriously. That has increased the foreign direct investment in the country. So that was the was by Nirmala Sitharaman. Next is by Sri Piyush Goyal. He said during the event that ease of doing business rankings, it is released, which shows the reflection of the efforts made by the states, and the rankings are competitive. And he said that India is among the very few nations which has the state specific rankings. So by giving the state specific rankings, this will help the nation to improve its ranking. So this is bringing out the healthy competition. So because of this healthy competition, there is a good development and good progress. Okay, so he's saying that like the ease of doing business rankings released, it shows the efforts made by the states, and the rankings are competitive, and India has which is one of the few nations having the state specific rankings. Okay, the top 10 states under the State Reform Action Plan 2019. Okay, the rankings are Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Telangana, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Himachal Pradesh, Rajasthan, West Bengal, and Gujarat. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe our channel, like this video, and share it to your friends, and join our Telegram channel to get info about the daily current affairs and to get the value added materials. Thank you.